Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. We are in St. John, New Brunswick, and we just finished sound check and the show is in 40 minutes. Sound check. Splash will tell you about that.
A little bit of a stressful time, you see. My blue guitar did not work when we did our first initial sound check. No sound came out of the guitar.
What?
Yeah, so we did the troubleshooting thing, checked all the things, nothing was working, and then we had an idea to put new batteries in the guitar. That didn't work, and then we called local guitar shops. We had a guitar on standby, and then we flipped the batteries around last second, and then it worked. Whew, let me tell you, nothing like it, but it worked. We're excited for the show. It's a beautiful theater here.
It's so pretty.
And everyone's so nice.
Everybody's so nice. And we've made it to the other ocean.
I know, the Atlantic.
What?
Yay!
So we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye!